Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A1 Plus, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your account added to this device, then you will have to sign in right now and then tap on the circle, which is your account. Here we have to enter my apps and games, and as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the updates, and here we can check the full list of all of them, and if you want to, you can update all of them with only one click just by tapping on update all, but if not, you can just find the app and tap on update right next to it, and the app will simply disappear from the list, but it will appear at the top right here, and your device will simply download the update, and after that it will be successfully installed and the app will be automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.